So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. Once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on manage settings. You want to turn off real-time protection, but just so you know, this will leave your device vulnerable. So turn off real-time protection and then click on yes. Try to install Photoshop again, see if that works. After you install Photoshop, turn it back on again. Hopefully this will fix your problem. For the last method, just restart your computer, come back into Windows and then try again.